Okay.
Jai Hind. Namaskar. Dear friends, I'm Asha. I'm just waiting for the crowd. We want to, at the same time, we are celebrating the Health Summit. We also want to remember and we also want to celebrate a great day, November 14, where the greatest leader of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, he used to celebrate 14th November as Children's Day. Chacha Nehru, that's what all children used to call him, Chacha Nehru, Uncle Nehru. He was very fond of the children and he would bring them and celebrate with him one-to-one Children's Day. So that is a history. It remained in history on the name of Chacha Nehru, and we today would also want to remember and pay him all regards what he did for the children. Chacha Nehru used to celebrate and he had a song for the children. This was a special song which I'm going to say the words and then we're going to play and all of us will march in to remember him and celebrate this wonderful day. He used to tell children, Insaf ki dagar pe, that on the line of justice, on that path, Insaf ki dagar pe, bachcho dikhao chal ke. That means all my children, where there's a justice, walk on that road and walk on that way. Insaf ki dagar pe, bachcho dikhao chal ke, ye desh hai tumhara, this country is yours. India is your children, ye desh hai tumhara, neta tum hi ho kal ke. Once again, insaf ki dagar pe, bachcho dikhao chal ke, ye desh hai tumhara, tum hi ho neta, neta ho tum kal ke. So this was a remembrance and this was his line. That one he said, children, you are the leaders of tomorrow. And work on that line, follow the line. And I think we're going to play the same song now. Bachcho dikhao chal ke. Thank you.
Asadi also work with me. Asadi, come on. So today is the birthday of Nehru ji, and all the kids give the spirit for Nehru ji. Bharat Mata ki. Come on, everybody, walk it. नगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के. Everybody. बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के. दुनिया के रंग सहना और कुछ ना मुँह से कहना, दुनिया के रंग सहना और कुछ ना मुँह से कहना, सच्चाइयों के बल पे आगे ही बढ़ के रहना. रास्ते बड़े कठिन है, चलना संभल संभल के. इंसान की डगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के. Everybody clapping, come on. अपने हो या पराए, सबके लिए हो न्याय. देखो कदम तुम्हारा आगे न डगमगाए. रास्ते बड़े कठिन है, चलना संभल संभल भर के। Everybody, इंसान की नगर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। और what Nehru says, this is the last line for Nehru. इंसानियत के सर पे इज्जत का ताज रखना, गुरबत की देख देख कर भारत की लाज रखना, तन मन की भेंट देकर जीवन नया मिलेगा अंतिम चिता में जल के। इंसान की कबर से बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। इंसान की कबर से बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम ही हो कल के। Thank you. And today is a surprise birthday party for beautiful, young and charming Moya. Give the big round of applause for Moya. Happy birthday to you. Come on, kids. Everybody, come on. Everybody, give me an applause. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Moya. Happy birthday to you.
Give it to your sister and ma. One piece, more piece.
Take, I don't know what
Take that out.
बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Moya, happy birthday to you. This is a special song. I made it for Moya only. Turning 17. Everybody know this song? Moya, this is for you. Listen that
You are 16, boy, I'm 17, baby, it's time to play. Better the weather be canny.
If anybody is celebrating any birthday of this month, let me know. I can introduce your name also. Anybody in the November? Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dite. Happy birthday to you.
Scared are you? Things beyond your care.
All the kids of this program will not listen. Everybody please take your pictures. Thank you. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Behalf of
17.
okay, I request now Master Devre please come forward and see your presentation.
This is a surprise.
It's a surprise. We have Master Delpay, who's an expert in martial arts and energy healing. So, anyone, any child who'd like to come up and learn something from him, we'd like to do a little bit of fun exercise.